Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is AG Update. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to deposit your Catizen token allocation to Binance exchange. So this video is mainly for those of you that participated in the Catizen Airdrop campaign and you got some allocation. So for you to start, what you just need to do is to open your Catizen bot and you click on Airdrop. So if you click on airdrop, you're going to see your Catizen allocation. Now what you just need to do is to click on deposit to exchange. So after clicking on deposit to exchange, it's going to bring you to this page. You're going to see different options like Binance, OKX, Bybit, BitGet, Gate.io, KuCoin, Hashkey, MEXC. So just select Binance like this. Alright, so now you click on continue. So now what you just need to do is to get your UID, your Catizen deposit address, and your memo. So now I'm going to minimize to my Binance. So for you to get your UID, what you just need to do is to click here. After clicking here, just click here to copy your UID. Then you paste your UID here. Then after that, you go back to look for your Catizen deposit address by clicking on deposit. Then you search for Catizen or Cati. So you can see Catizen here. Then you can see turn coin. Click OK. Then after that you click on deposit address. Now you paste it here. Now you minimize back and copy your memo. Come back here and paste it. Then after that, what you just need to do is to click on send. Please, before clicking on send, make sure your Binance account is verified. Make sure your Binance account is verified. Then after that, make sure to go through all the details again. Then you click on send. Then you're going to see all your details. They're going to ask you, make sure to perform your KYC before submitting. Then you click on confirm. So confirm successfully this amount. Catizen will deposit to your Binance account automatically before September 20th at 10 a.m. UTC. Then you click on back. Alright guys, so I've successfully transferred my Catizen allocation to Binance exchange. Alright guys, so this is how to deposit your Catizen allocation to Binance exchange. So I would love to hear from you on what you think about this at the comment section. If this video was helpful, please give it a like. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit on the subscription button. And this is AG Update, your friend in crypto. Thank you guys, and many more greens to your wallet.